Hello there and welcome back to this video series on programming for problem solving using C language. After watching this video, you'll be able to specify what is a structure and perhaps define a structure in C language. It would be best if you watch videos 35 and 36 before watching this particular video, because these two videos give a kind of a recap on what an array is and what is the transition from array to structure involves. Okay, with that, let us see what an array is as a recap. For example, if you have an array with a name cost, when we say an array, it is a collection of data of same type. All the elements that are stored in here belong to the same type. So you may have data object 1 represented by cost 0, data object 2 represented by cost 1, and so on and so forth till data object n. Just remember that subscripts begin at 0 in C language, not at 1 as we are generally used to. Having seen this array, what is the use of a structure? Because structure is a collection of data of different data types. Okay, you have a title, which is a character array of 400 length, author, which is a character array of 200 length, price is a float, this avail variable indicating number of books available is a long integer. Okay, all these are different data types. All these are contained within one object, which we call a structure. What is the use of a structure? For example, you have a big book publisher. That publisher has several books, and each of the books have these 4 properties. Of course, there may be 100 other properties, but these 4 we are just considering as an example. All these 4 properties have different data types. So a structure can store objects of different data types. Okay. Is it possible to store all these in a single variable? Yes, it is very much possible, and that is what we are looking into. Okay, we'll just look at a small example and close this video. Okay, the name of the program is structure intro.c. If you need the file, I can send it to you, share it with you somehow. You define a structure called book using the keyword struct. Okay, so we have 4 components in this: title with 400 length, author with 200 length, then price, which is a float, then avail, which is a long variable, and you initialize one variable b1. This b1 is of data type struct book. Just like you call int b1, you call it struct book. Struct book is a new data type now. So this b1 is of type struct book, and you initialized it. Okay, b1 dot title is nice book, b1 dot author is Ram, and so on. So you just compile it and you run it. It gave the things very nicely. So that's, you need to just remember one thing, that elements within the structure are accessed using a dot operator. b1 dot title, b1 dot author, b1 dot price, and b1 dot avail. Okay, I think that's all we have for now, and we summarize that a structure is a collection of data of different data types. Struct keyword is used to define a structure. The dot operator is used to access individual elements in a structure. Thank you so much. Have a great day.